Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727, was born in poor family in Lincoln's Inn, United Kingdom. He developed differential and integral calculus and produced also scientific theories such as Newton's laws and law of universal gravitation. Leonardo Pisano Fibonacci, 1170 to 1250, was an Italian number theorist. Then he bring the Hindu-Arabic numeral 0 to 9 in Europe and identifies a number sequence that exists in nature, also known as Fibonacci sequence. Blaise Pascal, 1623 to 1662. He contributed Pascal theorem, conic section, and theorem in projective geometry. He also known for his work Pascal triangle, binomial coefficient, and foundation in theory of probability. Pythagoras, 570 to 490 BC. He best known for his mathematical formula, which is state that the square of hypotenuse of right triangle is equal to the sum of the square on the other side of the triangle. Thales, 624 to 546 BCE. He best known for his Thales theorem, dictating that if a triangle is inscribed in a circle with one side being the diameter of the circle, then it is a right triangle. Leonhard Euler, 1707 to 1783, was a famous mathematician in his generation. He was the first to assign the letters in an algorithm, the E mean the base, I as an imaginary unit, and sigma as a symbol of summation. James Maxwell, 1831 to 1879. He contributed Maxwell electromagnetic equation, which is a perfect example of how mathematics can be used to provide relatively simple and elegant explanation of complex mysteries of the universe. Thomas Bayes, 1702 to 1761, a mathematician, was the first to use probability inductively and contribute Bayes' theorem, which is a mathematical formula for determining an conditional probability. Pierre-Simon Laplace, 1749 to 1827. He proposed the equation called Laplace equation. He heavily contributed in development of differential equation, difference equation, probability, and statistics. He proved that the stability of solar system used his own equation. Charles Babbage, 1791 to 1871. In 1821, he invented engine to compile mathematics. He conceived the idea of better machines that would perform not just one mathematical task but any kind of calculation. Archimedes, 287 BC to 212 BC. He calculated the most precise value of pi. Discovered also mathematically verified formula for the volume and a surface of a sphere. Alan Turing, 1912 to 1954. He determined that there are some problems that cannot solve by an algorithm placing a fundamental unit on the power of a computation. David Hilbert, 1862 to 1943, a German mathematician who reduced geometry for a series of axioms and contributed substantially to the establishment of formalistic foundation of mathematics. Gottfried Leibniz, 1646 to 1716. Major contribution to mathematics was his discovery of binary numeral system or the base system, which we find today in computers and devices using digits 0 to 1. Euclid of Alexandria, 325 to 265 BC. He invented form of mathematical proof that is used today, with is that he demonstrated what math that existed in his time was true and worth a number of theories in plane geometry and number theory. Joseph Lagrange, 1736 to 1831, invented the method of solving differential equation known as a variation of parameter. Apply differential calculus to the theory of probability and work on solution for an algebraic equation. John von Neumann, 1903 to 1957. He established Gaines theory, built the foundation for quantum mechanics, proved what is known as a minimax theory. Carl Friedrich Gauss, 1777 to 1855. He contributed the number theory, geometry probability theory, geodesy, planetary astronomy, theory of foundation, and potential theory, including electromagnetism. Nabasa Ramanujan, 1887 to 1920. He contributed in mathematical fields such as complex analysis, number theory, inevitable series, and composed of fraction. He found formula for infinite series pi that is basis of many algorithms used today. Johannes Kepler, 1571 to 1630, discovered two new regular hydra, worked on the problem of use vacuum equal sphere, computed logarithm, and found volume of solid of revolution.